What's up everybody, welcome back to another video. What's going on? So in this vlog, we are taking a trip to Paris, France. And yeah, we're about to hit the road. We're gonna be out there for a couple of days and hit a couple of museums. And in celebration of my wife's birthday, her 23rd birthday this week. So this trip goes out to you, baby. Let's hit it, let's hit the road. So guys, this is our Airbnb. It was about 90 euros for the night. If you guys are interested, the link will be in the description. Also, this Airbnb was the best one because it was so close to Disney, 10 minutes away, and 30 minutes from Paris. And this was just right in the middle for us. It helped us with our dog because it does have a backyard. They could go do their business and have fun. 1 bathroom, 1 bedroom. Had Netflix and Wi-Fi, so yeah, go ahead and check it out in the description if you are interested in going to Paris. If you guys are in Germany, like from where we are, this is the best place, honestly. What's up guys? So we're in France. Not Paris yet, but we're at an Airbnb.
Yeah.
We're getting some food.
Where's me? Oh!
I'm using baby's new GoPro 10 she got me for Christmas. Yeah. But we're at this place called Buffalo
Wild Wings.
Buffalo Grill.
Yeah, Buffalo Wild Wings. Yeah, B-dubs.
B-dubs. Buffalo Wings Grill. So this is the menu, guys. That's what the menu look like. See off. Yo, they got stuff, the onion rings. Baby cookies.
You translate the menus in French.
Right here's in English. Cheeseburger is the only thing in English. So they just put this down on the table. Let's put it down on the table. What is this?
Bread.
It smells like
There's no butter?